When I read about the article, Who Wants to be a Filipino, I felt humiliated and at the same time inspired. Well, I can disagree on many things that were stated in there. Somehow, it made me realize that yes, our country is in a very bad shape right now, whether we like it or not. That we need not to be a business tycoon to feel our economy is not doing that good, or to do some serious studies and other stuff to purely understand the status of our inambayan. Come to think of it, if there will be no major turnaround, I don't see a big change either in our country for the next decade, or even beyond that. But the thing is, why do such thing that would only hurt more our country? Things that can help us on our stats right now. For me, I still don't see myself leaving the Philippines and migrating to some Western countries or other Asian countries that can be considered richer or peaceful than our own land. I'm not saying it's bad to admit that we're going some pretty rough times right now, but why would you throw more rocks to a sinking ship if you don't want to help it anymore? For me, Philippines is just like our mother that gives us our own name and personality, the one that's responsible for bringing us into this world. And for me, that's more than enough reason not to leave it. Just like most of us, sometimes I also feel hopeless. Every time I see Pinoys being united, every time a Manny Pacquiao steps in the ring, it just shows that if we really want, or if given a reason, everyone could stand as one. And for me, it only shows that we might not be aware of it, but we still have the capability to be united. That if all of us can be one for a day or just by few hours of cheering the people's champ, it's not possible also to be as one to do things for the good of the for Filipino, for the good of our country. We have the rich traditions in history, just like the French and other European countries. The adobo, tumbang preso, lesa longa, and sampaguita are some of the things that are purely Pinoy na Pinoy that we can be proud of everywhere and every time.